Last two questions are inequalities on this one, and they're both absolute value functions. So we need to be able to graph our inequalities. We're going to try to use our transformations to do that. I can see the vertex because this is in vertex form. The vertex is going to be at +1, +5. Don't switch the sign of the one outside, just the one inside. And then I also want you to notice that it is flipped. So that means I'm going to go to 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put my vertex, and then it's going to be downward. So at this point, I've just kind of graphed an absolute value function, but the reminder here is that it's an inequality, which means I need to shade above or below that. The truth is, since the absolute value is greater than, I want to shade above that. So I'm going to start at the top of my graph and shade everything above my inequality. And that's that. The next one, I want to give you a heads up right before we do this one, is that it is not an equals there. It's just less than. So I need to use a dotted line. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, except I'm going to make my points and then I'll make a dotted line instead of a solid line. There is a vertex. I see it at -3 and -5. So my vertex is actually going to be +3, -5. And if I go to +3, +5, this one is not flipped, but it isn't up 1 and over. So it's actually up 4 over 3. And so I'm going to try to do that, up 4 over 3. And that one actually goes off my graph a little bit because I'm already way up here. Oh, that's because I did +5. I was wondering why I'm way up there. That says -5, so I'm going to go over 3, down 5. That makes a little bit more sense. Up 4 over 3, put me right there. On the flip side, it would be right there. So I'm just going to make kind of dots and kind of dash my line a little bit because it can't be on that line quite exactly. It is a less than. My sign is less than, so that means I'm going to shade below it. And that's it.